Hello. Hello. I just want to learn this stuff
We
with
can use the
Cloudinary.
Node SDK to easily upload one or multiple images with the Node SDK uploader. Once the Cloudinary Node module is installed, imported, and configured, we want to be able to upload this local image as well as
Cloudinary. API.
any other image in our directory.
Bro, teach me, bro. What the fuck? You could just.
Once the Cloudinary Node module is installed, imported, and configured, we want to be able to upload this local image as well as any other image in our directory. We can start off by running cloudinary.uploader.upload. We're inside and passing an argument of that image path. Now be sure you're taking a file referencing that path to be sure that you're referencing the actual file in the file system. But with that line, if I change on an event statement, we're getting a result, so I can actually console log out that result to see how it works. And once I run this result, and you take note of the report. Once the Cloudinary Node module is installed,
Okay, .env config. This allow env file and const Cloudinary
imported, and configured.
configure and cloud name process.env cloud name API key process API server.
We want to be able to upload this local image as well as any other image in our directory. We can start off by running cloudinary.uploader.upload. We're inside and passing an argument of that image path. Now be sure you're taking a file referencing that path to be sure that you're referencing the actual file in the file system. But with that line, if I change on an event statement, we're getting a result, so I can actually console log out that result to see how it works. And once I run the script, I can see successfully log out the result of that upload. I can now even open up that URL and see my new beautiful picture of a galaxy on my Cloudinary account. If you alternatively want to use the async await syntax, what we can do is set up a self-invoking function. We're going to define async function run, which I need to say that I want to invoke that function immediately. Where I can first get rid of that result statement, I'm going to copy that uploader into my run function. I'm going to add an await, as well as a constant of result, so I can get that same result. And finally, let's log out that result. We're again running the same upload, we get a similar result, but this time it's a separate upload. And just as a note, depending on the node version you're using, you may be able to use the top level await syntax. But what if we instead want to multiple images? We can run a function such as for const image of images, where inside I'm going to run that same result code, where what's going to happen is it's going to loop through all the images inside out of my array, and then for each of those images, it's going to do the same exact thing and use the uploader to upload my image. So we can more easily see the output of all the different results. How about instead adding a log out this here URL? And as I run, you can see that we get an upload result for every single one of those images. And finally, we're uploading using the local file paths, but the uploader takes in other formats rather than just the local path. For instance, we can pass in a basic 64 data array, or if I need to copy an image URL, we pass that URL directly into the uploader, which usually gives me a way to upload images that exist on other servers to my Cloudinary account. To learn more about uploading access to Cloudinary Node SDK, head over to documentation, where you can find more examples, as well as the upload API documentation, where you can find all the different options and parameters available for the SDK. So in review, in order to upload images to our Cloudinary account using the Node SDK, we can pass in all of our images as the path or even the URL into the uploader, which gives us an easy way to get our files into our Cloudinary account from Node.
Let's go GitHub. SDK.
Parakeet AI is an AI online call.
Okay, method upload. Method writes the upload method of the upload API. Sign up is the upload method but require you to define the number present. You can use it for upload stream. Take advantage of another stream functionality. It's useful when you receive a file as Steam from a user or if the file in a storage is large and you don't want to load it all to memory. Unsigned upload stream. Low security use case prototyping and testing, chunking, upload. We're gonna use upload, bruh, for now. npm install Cloudinary. Cloudi require Cloudinary the v2. Okay. Send data from website direct to Cloudinary. In that will get without needing to route it through your server. Is what I need to do is this, bro, because data will be in my sheet and read through that sheet and go somewhere else. So that ain't it. Using capability you can upload in bulk with when you upload to Cloudinary, yes, it's an old stuff, but okay, nice. Right. I need to do it in a smaller scale, but fuck that shit, bro. We're doing here and here. Never upload the local ad image and use it. Okay, Node.js, feed. Okay, Cloudinary, the uploader, upload, add, comma, use file name. What the fuck is use file name? True. Then resolve controller dot resolve. Upload a remote image from Wikipedia. Say then wikisite. Okay, request the analysis true. Okay, query analysis color true. Categorization Google tag auto tagging 08. Upload with Node SDK video. Bro, I don't want to like. What the fuck is that? SDK error handling red limit.
breakfast.jp and passwords.
How the fuck, ChatGPT? How can I load file directly to Cloudinary? That's not the spelling, but he knows. Cloudinary on the website instead of um, three-way out of my laptop folder. Note collection directly called your book without saving any files on the server. That's usually how modern apps do. Okay, user browser, your server only gives signature. So file never touch your laptop. Server faster, more secure, scales better, get the cloud credentials. Okay, I got you, bro. I got you. Then cloud.config. Okay, got you, bro. And yes, I know, bro. Blood, I know. Create signature route. Okay. Like a signature. What the fuck is a signature? Get signature. What the fuck is that, brother? Cloud the utils. Yeah. Time slack. Why do I send the API key in there? I need to do this in a smaller scale. I understand what this power means, but I need to do it in smaller scale so I can like use this in a bigger scale, bruh. You get me? Fucking let's learn Java for now. Okay, literal integer. Bruh, integer addition subtraction, bruh. This is computer classes. Okay, DL classes, digital logic. In order to write an integer in a program, fucking hell with this is you write a program. Fucking hell. I need to use Cloudinary. In order to write an integer in a program, you write an integer literal. We call them this because the integer is literally written down. What the fuck is happening? I didn't know why we have read this. Okay, integer. Okay, integer. I get that. In order to write an integer in a program, you write an integer literal. Fucking hell. We call them this because the integer is literally written down in the program. Okay, got you, brother. Okay, can add any two integer as okay using plus operator. X y is equal to 5 plus 1 6 z. Subtract. Bruh, I want to see what AWS is. AWS. Okay, AWS. Okay, what the fuck is that, bruh? AWS documentation. Is there any? There's no programming further stuff. Subtracting a negative number does the same thing as addition. What the fuck is this stuff? Negative number. Okay, got you. Same thing as positive. Okay, got you. This is a symbol. You can divide any two in s using slash operator. But instead too. Okay, cause it is not a float statement, bruh. Got that right. Okay, this is like C, bruh. C, kinda like C. Get the remainder of the division between two integers. You can use the percentage operator. This is called modulo operator. Gives you 3. The question are 3. Remainder 1. Okay, let's remember what. Honestly, 1 to 2 and go back to 0. Now in value 0, value equals to value plus 1 percentage 3. Okay, value plus 1 1 percentage 3 has the remainder 1. Okay, go back to 0. Nothing to do. Okay, got you, brother. Okay, quality. This is some easy stuff in here, bro. what I wanted. What is Java used for? App dev, web dev, list out all. What the fuck is choline, bruh? JetBrain. What is it used with to make um, make backend, or is it only Java with Spring, or brother, you literally just for you. My honest advice to you is what I'm saying, what I'm gonna learn, bruh. I may be wrong, but you can't be, bruh. You can be, but because of the stupid AI shit, bruh. And can you like deep search this and like uh, say this to me straight to me that uh, I think it will be better with Python. Fucking hell, bruh. Give your own opinion, bruh. I fucking hate this shit, bruh. What the fuck, man? Yeah, observability using data AI automation could serve a triangle. used for AI. This is joined by TensorFlow can there the more interface are people easier to read like Java. AI shit what Java is used for then. Fucking hell, I did that shit. Unlike the previous operation, int boolean loneliest number equals to true. Can be better as 1 minus 1. Unlike the previous, which all the int as int as result because it takes two int as and produce a boolean as its result. Okay, this is very important to remember that doesn't assign 2 equals sign 0 can take the purpose. Okay, this is true because this is comparing this shit. Where the things are not equal. True, bro. True. Okay. AI proof. Curious about how other they feel like ChatGPT or useful, but at over 40 I'm worried I may not be able to start looking to our plan B in terms of career path. No, you are not useful because you can write that doing something. You're useful because you know how to code. More later, who's gonna plan the worthless stuff? Code Tower is also a good platform. Who the fuck is this Indian? But I need to like make sure if I'm uh, learning right stuff. Automation of routine tasks. Automation for routine tasks. Yeah.
Which is better, AML or web dev for secure future and more earning? Got it. देखो पहली बात तो यार फ्यूचर का किसी को कुछ नहीं पता AML अभी थोड़ा टाइम पहले बहुत ऐसे आराम से चल रहा था काफी टाइम से एकदम से बूम किया ब्लॉकचेन काफी टाइम से आराम चल रहा था एकदम से बूम किया तो ये जो ट्रेंड्स हैं ये आते जाते रहते हैं ठीक है तो तुम्हें एकदम से ट्रेंड पकड़ना होता है द मेन थिंग इज तुम्हें कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसे बेसिक की क्लियर होना चाहिए बेस तुम्हारा स्ट्रॉन्ग है अगर आई वुड से AML पकड़ लो क्योंकि अभी 2024 चल रहा है 2030 35 नॉट 35 30 तक तो अभी अच्छा खासा ग्रो करेगा अच्छे ठीक है अब
Java in AI development. Can it really challenge Python? Let's break it down. While Python dominates AI, Java is gaining ground, especially as AI gets incorporated into business logic. Oracle, Java's steward, sees Java's cloud integration and enterprise usage as key strengths. Java has performance advantages, strong typing, memory safety, and speed. Analysts believe Java could outperform Python as AI apps move from proof of concept to production grade use. Java already has AI frameworks like Trivio for AI.
Is Java popular for building machine learning and AI applications? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Java is really popular for APIs, microservices, web applications, and things like that. However, it's not really popular in the machine learning space. The number one language in the machine learning space is Python. Python has NumPy and things like scikit-learn.
Can AI replace Java developers? Here's the real answer, without the hype. AI can already generate Java code, fix errors, write unit tests, and even build small Spring Boot apps. So it's easy to think Java developers are in danger, but that's not the full story. AI writes code, but it doesn't understand systems, it doesn't understand databases, users, security, microservices are
One.
Okay, bro, what the fuck? I might regret learning this shit, bro. I know I will be, but fuck it. And then one on the right, boolean greater 5 is greater than 2, true. Cement fall to the bus. What the fuck is this even a point? If you would buy, I did. And I just imagine this was it all this side. Okay. True, false. Okay, got you. Got you. Change when writing an expression in math to say something along the line is greater than 0 and less than 5. And you have to combine the result of comparison using the and operator. Boolean x in range equals to 0 x and x. Okay, you can use that shit. Okay, got you. Okay, challenges and just like Boolean operators. Okay, Permas. Parentheses can be used to control this order. But end result equals to okay. This will give 9 divided by 2 8. No, 8 not 4. 4 into 3 12. 12 plus 6 18 minus 2 16. 9 divided by 4 in there, right, brother? Jumping first. 8 9 divided by 2. What is pet mass, brother? Ain't like the division, the first multiplication division. Okay, so then 6 27 13 minus 2 11 plus 6 17. Okay. The value stored in the variable before the reassignment can be used to compute the new value. This is true for all data type, but it is easier to demonstrate with number. In x equals to 1, print line x. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 2 into 2. 12. Okay, print line. Okay, good asset. Good set. A very common thing to do is to take the current value of a variable, perform some simple operation like addition on it, and reassign the newly computed value back into the variable. Okay, actually also x into 5. I know this shorthand. This I know. First time looking at this, but I can understand. Okay, more pop quiz. Okay, x equals to 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 into 4, 12, 12. Okay, 12 into 5, 12 into 5, 60, 60 minus 12 minus 60 minus, what is that? 60, 48, 48, 48 divided by 6, 8, 8, more remainder, 8 remainder, 8 remainder, 3, 8 remainder, 3, 2, 2, 2. This is 2, right? Oh, that was supposed to be minus. Yeah, minus. Okay, minus, plus, 1. And it sound okay. Limits. What the fuck is limits? What is? Not like math. Some number can be arbitrarily big or small, or in is fixed to it. Say you have piece of paper that is on big, two number on it. This will not run. The only number you could write in a base 10 system would be from 0 to 1. Really? The only number you could write in a base 10 system could be. Not in. I thought it was like. In Java, we can use like 100 in this. Java in a small similar aspect, instead of only being able to write in pictures of variable has a type in can represent number from minus Right. 2 to the power 31. What the fuck was that? Okay, can I do like and 2 to the power 21 print line AIO the print line. Bro, I'm really fucking tired of looking at the error type shit, bro. Okay, what the fuck is that? Two to the power 10. Save, run this line 8, then 31. Save 29. Save. Add limit. Okay, print there. And limit equals to x. Okay, limit. Save the zone. Okay, so if I got that stuff, okay, bro, what? Okay, it's line by line. Okay. The rules for this are try to only use information. Okay, remember, I'll remember with this program output and run. What do you guess? And try to run it. Void main int x equals to 5. What will the program output? And run it. Oh, this was a question. Oh fucking hell. 13. What will the program output when run? 4 4 3 3 plus 3 6. Make it so that even assume that value of x could be changed on write out literally true or false. Okay. Assume could be changed. It is that the value of y(n) could be changed on that's right arbitrary evolves. Like what do you mean? Like do I use like greater than with random numbers? Or use x and y to determine that? Oh, I got it. Okay, got you, brother. Got you. Code here. What the fuck is this? Yeah. He is even like x percentage to equals to 0, that is copy is even save this joint and then run that joint. Okay, it becomes like y equals to like y equals to y percentage to and this is equals to 0. Like touch it so y equals to this and this. Can you write in the spot that will make the program to yes, yeah. Can you write -2 3? You can use -3. That's what you're trying to make me do. Output of this. So like bracket come first. 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 6 divided by 6, 1. Nine, what the fuck? Okay. Three into 3. How the fuck does this happen? 3 into 2, 6. Okay, what is this, brother? This happens first. 3 2. Five, that's 3 into 3, 9. Oh, he got me, brother. You got me. What the fuck? Okay, I need to brush, go to college and stuff. But okay. Hello. Okay. Now I'm speaking. So I've been thinking, and I should really learn React because everything goes with React, and although it's not AI proof and stuff, but AI is no, not AI. React is used like overall for web development and stuff. So I've been thinking like I should probably learn React, and it's not that I hadn't learned React, but I don't understand. I didn't like uh, um, focus on React. I was gonna learn React, but I was like, I'm gonna learn this much React to go to Node.js and stuff. So I am not quite familiar with React. So it's been like a year of doing React. So like I think of putting hiatus on this Java stuff, cause like this is for my future. Like I'm gonna learn this one way or another, or if if I my mind change or stuff happens, I will probably learn Python or something. But Python is also like too saturated. Too okay. So I think I'll be learning React from tomorrow, cause my to not tomorrow, in about a week, cause like my fucking what do you call that shit? My fucking exam are coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow is one. Day after tomorrow is another. No, day after tomorrow is holiday, and and that day after that normal exam. Like, yo, I need to study, bro. Okay, good, better, but let's do that shit. So right now I'm gonna like um focus on GitHub. mm, People get recruited by GitHub. Okay, GitHub. Okay, this is the one. Not this one. So set status. What the fuck was that? Set status. Okay, on Unvaccine, focusing, expiration, never visible to everyone. Set status. Okay, and profile, link in bio. Any amount. Wait the fuck up. Okay, location Nepal. Okay, social media link Instagram. Where the fuck is that shit? Okay, where the fuck? How the fuck am I meant to share this shit? Okay. Save. Okay, I think popular repositories. Customize open. Where the fuck is my repositories? Created one, so more activity. Okay, I want it like. What I want to do is like start a small Cloudflare website, uh, like for the like to get good at it and stuff. So I'm gonna do that and post it in my GitHub, because I think I'm gonna focus on GitHub because like I've been seeing a lot about this. Let's start this joint while making website. Should I store node mon and what condition, like like in dev should be in dev defense save dependency. Okay, got you, brother. Install EJS. Okay, clear the fuck initialize repository. Okay, what was that joint name? Cloudify, Cloudinary. CLOU, Cloudinary. someone run the normal server. Cons express is calls to like what do you call that, joint, not this. Okay, express cons require express cons app equals to express cons. Okay, let's make this join then. App the get okay, then router router root router. Copy this shit. What the fuck is that? Copy this shit, paste it in here, and this is the setup here. Cons route equals to the router route the get comma. Okay, I'm gonna do this here and here. Render on the request on request and what the fuck. Okay, views folder index the EJS. Okay, save this joint and the render JS and then server cons app the use the JSON app the use kind of like index document. While setting up in Node, like in basic form, what did you say? Like, if I want to use like easiest, and is easiest considered a static file? Nah, easiest is not a static file. Like, I want to connect, like, okay. What the fuck? Oh, okay. Let me try this shit. identifier. Okay, router slash root. Okay, that's good. And const port equals to require equals to 5000, and the listen to port comma so log port is what the fuck is that joint? On dev in the git. Okay, that's good. Okay, what the fuck? Clear on use. Router. Yeah. That's it. Okay. Use that's it, and okay. Okay, document. Okay, so this fucking works. And what? And I should use EJS in this. What was line in main file to EJS. By the way, this app does set view engine. App does set view engine. View engine to EJS, EJS, save that joint. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. I think I should make form. Your cloud. Okay, not form action post, and then action post, and then input file put image file input file type okay. Button type submit load. Okay, open upload. Okay, that's okay, we are getting somewhere, brother. Bro, tomorrow is my exam and I'm fucking in it coding right now, which is not absolutely not related to this shit. Okay. mm, Brother, input file. Okay, that's it is good. Input file, yes, hell yeah. And then upload, and I need to upload this shit to the fucking Cloudinary, brother. We're getting out of the hood with this one. I want to add Cloudinary ASAP without any schemas and stuff, without Malter and stuff. So fuck that bitch, fuck that zone. Then okay, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna get me like a drink, no juice or something. Okay, here I am. So start on this bitch and then upload, submit. Okay, that's nice. Let's go to Cloudinary and documents. Okay, Cloudinary is nice with this, bruh. Developers overview, image API. Okay, image API. Wanna start transforming now? Oh, how the fuck am I supposed to? Cloudinary, bro. I need to sign up. Sign. Go. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Obvious choice. What the fuck? Fetch format auto transform. JavaScript, JavaScript also. This is good. Okay. Copied. Okay, what the fuck is that? Um, Cloudery. This is good. This is good. This is good. Okay, this is good. And then What the fuck? Upload, optimize, and transform. Let's go. Import v2 as Cloudinary from Cloudinary async function. Cloudinary.config bracket. Okay, npm. Okay, Cloudinary. Setup Cloudinary v2. Okay, that's good. And then see full documentation upload. See full documentation of uploader. The upload. Upload present my present error return console error return. Use the uploader file name as asset, public ID, and allow overwriting the asset with new versions. Teach me how to use Cloudinary in Node, where the user uploads the photo and sends directly to the cloud without that to the server. The server gets the details of the photo and what the fuck was that, brother? What the fuck was that? Detail of the photo and for now that much photo like I am being taught by you in this or sign up Cloudinary navigate. Okay, I got the API keys. Sign up for navigate to the dashboard to get your cloud API. Setting upload. Create a unsigned upload. Go to setting upload. Where the fuck is that setting? Settings. Free media flow. Hey, total. Basement 3%. and then navigate to the dashboard to get create an on-sign upload present. And upload present. Okay, enable on-sign upload. On-sign. Save the present and notes its name. Okay, upload present name. Mini Cloudinary. Do I need to asset folder? Should the mini. Okay, mini override false default. Okay, that's good. Configure in your Node.js server. Okay, I got that. Configure. Okay, no need for on-sign upload. Not needed for your. Okay, got you. Cloudinary. Font Cloudinary require this stuff. Cloudinary.configure. Cloud name. My cloud name. API key. I need that API key ASAP. Okay. Go to API keys. API key. Okay. Not needed for. Okay. Got you, brother. Got you, brother. Let's do it in server for now, though. Okay, I need to cons. Dirty. Cloudinary equals to require Cloudinary dot v2 got you, brother. And then Cloudinary the configure. Okay, cloud dash name is main Cloudinary. Okay, API key. Comma. Okay, that much. Okay, I configure. Okay, that's good. Generate upload get. Can I use in app.get. We'll send the upload present name and cloud name to the client. Okay, you provide the necessary configuration to the client. Your server will send the upload present name and your Cloudinary name to the client so the client can upload it directly. Okay, then I'm sending this. What is this? The upload present here. On sign upload present. What the fuck is this? Chat CVT. What is this in Cloudinary? And upload present is say configured in a that control who can upload unsigned. Let's see, put the name of your own present there, not really this you need it directly. Create one console setting upload present. Bruh, how many fucking this is here? So this is what in the moment. Cloud name, what the fuck? Okay, this is my cloud name. Okay, got you, brother. Hmm. Router. cloud name, and then upload present. Present. Cloudinary. I think this is not valid, by the way, because I'm using 2 responses. Okay, I'm sending both. I'm not sending both. Yeah, you can send 2 response. I know, brother. So typo. PRE. Present. Big difference. Don't use answer that normally. Instead you put it in the EJS and use it in the JS. Since you are using EJS, do it like this. Send data while rendering. Type file ID file upload. Upload image cons response equal to fetch. Cons equal to response. The JSON. Okay, const file input equals to the input file equals to file. What the fuck is this? I know that stop, but what is this, brother? which create document file if doesn't equals to file alerts, please select a file, return. Okay, got you, brother. Const, okay, const form data equals to new form. I'm going line by line so to understand. Input button, fine, understand that. And cloud name and upload present is from I will get that from response the JSON, so that's another thing. And I want to know if I can like just send file input in there, cause like without using a variable file. And if I understand that alert stuff, I understand what is const form data equals a new form data. uh, Data the append, that's the first time. What the fuck is that? And what is double quotation file comma the picture or images, and upload present is upload present. What is this? And try const response equals await fetch. So this is fetching the uploaded what they call it, uploaded uploaded stuff. And what is this? Slash image slash upload. So comma method post, understand that. Body form data, body form data. What is that form data? And data equals to await response the JSON. Data equals to await response the JSON. Like I send from response.json the cloud name and upload present to separate like front end and back end. And image, okay, the CSC the secure data the secure URL, what is that? And the append style image, what the fuck is that? Append, okay, what is that? That's all. Object to send file plus special Java object form data is a special JavaScript object to send file plus data in a post request. Think of it as a box where you put your files and other info. Expect this box to contain Excel file, the keyword Excel file, and upper present you unsigned. Okay, got you, brother. And then form data dot append. This add the file to the box. Okay. Key in the value is okay. The actual file object just for input. It's a file object for input from append. Okay, upper present. Upper present adds your unsigned to the same file. Can read this to say which will do apply. Cons upload fetch to make it as request first parameter URL of Cloudinary API cloud name. Understand that. Sending data the box with file plus present. In this post request, read the file and saves it. Cons data equals to await upload response.json bracket. Okay, raw http response from Cloudinary. Convert the response into a JavaScript object. Secure gives you the direct URL of the image. Pending image to page. So can I ask you, is this the best way we can do it? I send, okay. This catches from what we send, cons cloud name, comma, upload. Away. File input and yeah. Bro, I'm just gonna stick with my stuff. Query selector file. Only one file. Form data equals to new form data. What the fuck is this? Why do we need this shit, brother? They tell me form data new is a special object that's in, think of it as a box where you can put your file and expect this bot to content. Okay. Okay, this is from Cloudinary and we need, like, I think this is like making express.json like to app. I think that's the logic behind it is. So like form data form data the append file to have file, comma, form data append to have Let's just follow this stuff, and then after that we can talk about it. Mm, okay, what the fuck is that shit? Okay, got you, brother. Async. fuck this shit right now, brother. No, I'm gonna upload this right now because of like I gotta really study, and if this keeps running, I might like really just do some more coding. So bye.